Welcome to How to Apply for Grants. This video will focus on navigation and familiarization of the online submission process, such as where to find the grant submission on OOXLife, selecting project budgets, entering line items, uploading supporting documents, understanding the club contribution section, and viewing submitted budgets. Before beginning with the application, ensure you and your team are aware of the eligibility requirements in completing applicable paths. Review the club's handbook, both the Essentials and Grants chapter, as well as any updates posted on the OOXLife Campus Club's page. The grant application is accessed by clicking the left navigation menu. Under My Organizations, click the gear icon of the organization, revealing the menu of management tools. Select Finance. In the top right, click on Create Request, and then select Create Budget Request. Here you will see a listing of grant applications called Budget Processes, which are titled for the intakes they represent. Select the process indicating the intake in which you are applying. There are 4 types of budgets to choose from. Each is tailored for a type of project. Choose only one budget header that best identifies your type of request from the following list. A branded merchandise budget is used to request funding support to subsidize the purchase of branded merchandise. This could include coffee cups, lanyards, water bottles, pens, or clothing that is either given away or sold. Informational handouts with branding such as brochures, business cards, and posters are not considered part of this category. Instead, those items are to be entered in event funding within the marketing and promotional section for a specific event or project, or in general operations and its marketing and promotional section for non-event promotion. A conference or competition attendance budget is used to request funding support to attend a conference or competition relevant to your club. These types of grants tend to reach a maximum subsidy of up to $100 per student. An event funding budget is used to request funding support to host an event or activity. If you have multiple events or activities within an intake, you will need to submit multiple separate applications. A general operations budget is for resources that are not event specific. However, they do act in general promotion and operation of the club. Example, business cards, club general promotion posters, or equipment. Give your application a title and provide a brief description. The form will take you through the 3 tabs in the application identified as Request, Additional Information, and Budget. You can navigate between the 3 tabs. However, we recommend you follow the initial flow of the form. The Request tab captures information such as the title and description of your request. You will notice a header indicating the budget process you have selected, and the submitter's name automatically appears within this tab. The Additional Information tab captures project information, logistics, risk management, and an agreement section. The difference between a strong and weak application is that a strong application has all the fields completed with specific and detailed responses to the questions. Also, the uploads with supporting documentation are key for decision-making processes. The Budget tab are where the details regarding pricing and values are entered. Depending on the budget header selected, there are specific sections where you can list item lines. The majority of sections are optional fields. You only need to add item lines that apply to your request. Most line items you choose to use will require supporting documentation to be uploaded. This would be the uploading of quotes and pricing screenshots. These uploads take place at each line item level. An important tip: the system only allows 1 upload per line item. If you have multiple images for one line item, combine them into one large doc, split into additional line items, or you may choose to use a spreadsheet image to capture pricing if it involves numerous entries. Submitters will be able to upload 1 file, 10 megabytes max, that provides supporting evidence to their line item request. The club contribution section. In each budget type, The club contributions section is mandatory. This area is designed for you to indicate funds that the club is going to use from other resources, which could be club funds, ticket sales, sponsorship, or partnerships for the project or activity. If your club does not have any club contributions, you will still need to fill it out, indicating a 0. The club contribution section subtracts from the main total to accurately reflect the amount of grant funds being requested. For branded merchandise or any item where you are contributing or receiving any additional financial support, it is recommended to list the full pricing in the budget for that item. Then use the club contribution section to reflect the amount the club is contributing to the item from the club's account or the amount that students are paying towards the price. This will provide the most clarity overall for these types of grants. Ensure the requested total is the amount you are requesting for the application. Submit well before 5 p.m. on the grant deadline date. Late applications are not accepted. No exceptions. Any position in the club that has full finance access may view the final status of a grant application submission by simply navigating to the club page, then club menu, to finance, then budgets. Comments and important communications made during the review process can only be reviewed by the submitter. Therefore, they need to ensure they relay the information to their club. Once approved, no additional comments or any back and forth dialogue through the budget system can be added. After this point, send your communications such as follow-up questions, closeout date changes, or other details via email to the campus club's manager. We hope you found this video helpful and look forward to the great initiatives clubs will present for funding.